If you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, stick with me because in today's video, I'm going to show you all the new items they have out for July. So let's go. This is a really interesting time at Dollar Tree, right before your fall stuff comes out. There's so many cool summer things that I want to show you can still pick up at Dollar Tree. So the shore living section is Dollar Tree's summer section, and at my store, they keep putting out new items. Let me show you the new ones I'm seeing at my store. If you love coastal decor, these shells are really great. These vases are new as well. These ceramics are great for painting, especially this time of year. If you're gonna be doing any outdoor entertaining, you definitely wanna get your plasticware here at Dollar Tree. They have so many different styles and colors. Let me show you what I think are some great deals. I love these larger trays. These are great for barbecues, having people over. Anytime I'm having a party, I love putting snacks in here or fruit and veggies. Check all the different colors. You have this dark blue, there's a teal, and then this really pretty red color. I love these utensil caddies. They're really like hard plastic, so I feel like they're gonna hold up well, but you could use these for utensils or in your craft room. You can get these fun ice cube trays. They're BPA free. There's a flamingo, they have seashells and pineapple. They also have so many fun prints in the outdoor dinnerware. This is the perfect time of year to get glow sticks, but Dollar Tree actually has more than just your regular glow sticks. Look at these, you guys. These are beach ball glow sticks. They also have a glow ball. These would be fun for the kids. These have been some of my favorite pots at Dollar Tree this year. They're $3 and they're pretty large. My store also has a blue color. At the front of my store, they have travel pillows for $5. They're really comfortable. I'm in my favorite section, you guys, the Crafters Square. I always find new stuff in here every month. Let me show you the new things you need to be looking out for. We don't have to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to pick up our dowel rods. They have them at Dollar Tree in this pack of 2. Washi tape is not a new item, but it's always hard to find. So when I see it here at Dollar Tree, I pick it up because it's an item I use a lot in crafts. Last month, I found a large black canvas that was $3. They have the smaller ones for $1.25. I think these are like the 8x11. Another canvas I noticed are these white canvases with pictures on it. For me, I think this is great for my kids. They would love to paint these. I found the koala one. Let's see if they have anything else. It looks like they have a sloth, a llama, and a unicorn. I just spotted these. These are definitely more intricate designs. If you guys see these wood slices, pick them up because they're hard to find. I just found 2 of them for a DIY that I'm doing soon. Dollar Tree carries so many different sizes and canvases now. You can get white canvases. They also have smaller versions of the burlap one. So I hope your Dollar Tree has as many as mine has. These art easels for $1.25 are such a good deal. I've done DIYs with them. I've done several crafts, or you could just get one of the canvases here at Dollar Tree and use it to hold that. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. Don't pass by the wood cutouts. There's so many good ones to choose from. This is a new one I don't think I've seen before. I also love these. Like, look how cool these are. You could use these as paint stamps. They would be awesome for Christmas. I've also used these before. I think I made a tray from this. So there's just so many cool options. So don't pass this section by. And speaking of things I always pick up at Dollar Tree, this is a paint I always like to have on hand. It's a chalkboard paint, but it's also a matte black paint, and I use it in several DIYs.
Do you remember that comment where someone thought that they shut the Dollar Tree down for us to film in it?
Okay, you guys, that's hilarious. No, they don't shut Dollar Tree down. Let me tell you how we film. So Delaney and I, our store opens at 8. We get to our store at 7:45. We set up our mics, we're ready to go so that when we come into the store, there's not a lot of people. And then every time, Delaney, you know this, whenever somebody who walks behind me, she'll say stop, and then we completely redo that clip. So we're just trying to be really respectful of people by not putting anybody in our clips that don't want to be. So no, there's people here when we're filming. You can hear some of the noise right now. Yeah, there's definitely people here when we're filming, so they don't shut down for us. We just try to come at a time where there's not a lot of people. Could this be one of the first signs of fall? It's coming, you guys. So I'm over in the kitchen section trying to see what new items I can find. Ooh. These, you guys, reusable sandwich bags. Oh, I hope they're BPA free. Yep, BPA free. They're like 8 by 8. You get 2 in a pack. How awesome are these? These are always really expensive online. You guys, look over here. I just spotted another fall item. These look like new plates for this year. So I've been using contact paper a lot more in my DIY. So I was over here in the shelf liner section, seeing if they had any new styles. And we noticed this one. I think this is new. What do you guys think? I feel like this is a new one. It's a great design if you need to put it in any of your drawers. The marble shelf liner has to be something that they've had before, but I don't remember picking this up. So I'm gonna get it for a future DIY. The next time you're at Dollar Tree, look in your wallpaper section. My store's gotten a few new ones lately. This one in the dark blue I picked up for a DIY that's gonna be coming out soon. But these papers are great for wrapping around vases or really any DIY you can use them in. I also love this one, and I'm pretty sure it's new. This would make a great wall art. Put it in 3 different frames and it would be so pretty on your wall. And then for back to school, check this out, you guys. I feel like they may have had this in years past, but these are great for kiddos' pictures. Don't forget the end caps, these wood wreath rings. Check out this. This is great. I'm gonna get a few of these and put them with some smaller rings to make an abstract DIY. Over in the beauty section, they have these blender travel cases for your beauty blenders. Another thing I noticed are these jade massagers. I bought one of these off of Amazon for so much more. You can get it for $1.25. If you love watching DIY videos, I have a second channel called Liz Fenwick Daily where I post daily DIYs and behind the scenes content. I'll put a link to that channel down in the description box. I'm over now in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Now, if you haven't been to this section, most items here are $3 to $5 and they have some great home decor and crafts. So right over here, look at these gold metal wire pieces. These are great to put out in your decor. They come in gold or black, or you could spray paint them any color you like. I would say my favorite thing I pick up over here are the pouring paints. If you guys watch the DIY videos on my channel, you've seen me use these before. They're great. You get a large bottle for $3. So anytime you want a runner paint or a paint pour, these are great. Over here, they have $3 and $5 wood slices. I don't think I've seen this one before. This one's $3. They also have different canvas options in these fun shapes. This one is pretty new to me. My store has another Dollar Tree Plus aisle that has home decor and kitchen items. Usually the kitchen items are the same, but I did notice these bamboo utensils for $5. It's a set of 7 and they're pretty cute. So far, I haven't been too impressed with the pillows here at Dollar Tree, so we need some better options. These metal buckets are definitely new. Now, these are all $5. You have just this basic one. There's also one that has a wood handle. This would be great for stems. And if you like these items for your decor, they have a white one and a silver one. And these buckets are great for weddings or events. You can write the table numbers on the front. They also have them in white. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. They have these stackable containers. They're $5 each, so you can stack them as high as you want, and I feel like the quality is really good. There's a lot of great things over in the Plus section for storage, like these foldable stools. You can get these for $5. They come in black. They also come in gray, but you can find some great storage boxes for $5. This one down here is $3 and a new pattern that I haven't seen before. Have you guys noticed all the neon candles they have here at Dollar Tree? Dollar Tree now has these concrete succulents just for $1.25. Look at all the varieties that you can get. These are so good. It never fails. Dollar Tree always has so many good glass vases. This one is so unique. I don't think I've ever seen this gray or kind of like a light black color. Oh my gosh, those are cute. Dollar Tree has out fine and ultra fine Sharpies for $1.25. They also have calligraphy pens. I think Dollar Tree is keeping their pegboard section as a permanent line in the office section because they keep adding new items. I just noticed this tray right here. It's a hanging organizing tray that you could put on the pegboard, or you could also hang it on your wall. One of the tips I have for you, if you're looking for a preview of new items at Dollar Tree, check your end caps. This is an end cap in the back of my store, and these are new items that they're going to be having out for back to school. All of their journals are here, so you can get the first pick of the new journals that they have. Let me know what you're going to be picking up on your next trip to Dollar Tree, and don't forget to subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.